Looks like those potatoes are nice and baked. They're all steamy. So today I'm going to make a version of loaded chili cheese dogs. This is chicken chili. It's about 3 pounds worth. Going to put it right in the microwave. Alexa, cook on medium for 3 minutes. Hey.
3 minutes on power level medium.
Hey, it works. This new microwave blends pretty naturally into my kitchen, but it can do some pretty cool tricks. All you gotta do is install a couple apps, and you can actually control the microwave from your phone or with your voice. The MS Smart Life app lets you control the microwave like by the touch, and if you set up Alexa, you can say, "Hey Alexa, use my cook a potato for 2 minutes."
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Damn you, Alexa. Let me issue a correct command. Alexa, turn on the microwave for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Alexa, stop microwave.
Okay.
So you got to learn the right commands. But once you set up your 2 apps, you're good to go. So if you've ever wanted to tell your microwave to make food, now you can. We don't have flying cars in 2020, but we can talk to our appliances. So in front of me, I have something that I made using the microwave. My cat is playing with the cupboards. Charlie, stop that. So yeah, I made a dish here that resembles a food challenge that you find at a lot of restaurants. It's basically loaded chili dogs. So I took some hot dogs, I took some cheese, some chili, potatoes, got them all going, and this is about 5 pounds of food. Now, the microwave is my favorite way to make baked potatoes, so, you know, the microwave is one of my favorite appliances. If you're interested in the Smart Microwave by Toshiba, go ahead and look down in the description section of this video and you'll find a link to the store and a coupon code that'll save you $14 off your purchase. But I'm sure you came here for the food, so with no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, let's get freaky. Don't think I'm gonna need a fork and knife. There's a hot dog hiding in here somewhere. That's some good stuff. Everything on this plate was made using the microwave, so even if you're stuck at home, you can still cook a decent meal. You don't have to be silent. And boom goes the dynamite. That was the 5 pounds of chili cheese dogs. Made my own thing here at home with the microwave to show that this microwave can pretty much keep you eating. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and I will see all of you in the next one. So until we do it again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.
But if you ever want to switch back to my jokes, just say, Alexa, I miss your jokes.
No, I don't miss your jokes.